united by all of us holding hands, joining spirits, sharing water, sharing warmth, breathing the sacred wind, the sacred air together, has joined us in a common cause of rebalance, the rebalance of man, the rebalance of woman, the rebalance through the moon, the sun, the air, the fire, the water, and the earth that lives within all. So when we come today, we're asking this water to open our minds, our hearts, our spirits, and our ability to share with all of our species what Mother Earth is directing us, what Father Sky is directing us, what our future generation needs, and what Earth herself is demanding at this time. Her patience is infinite. Her love is infinite. But at the same time, she's a good mother. And she says, Sean, that's enough. Behave.